guys, namaste. We're leaving Rishikesh. Well, we already left it. We had a little breakfast with eggs at the bus stand, and took this bus along towards west, towards Dehradun, a place called Dehradun, which is also here at the foot of the Himalayas, because you can tell we're back in the Himalayas. Well, at the foot really, we're not going up just now. And well, we have an apartment waiting for us in Dehradun. Well, we'll stay for a week or maybe even longer, and then, you know, look around a bit there. I will show you the apartment, and you know, I just wanted to show you a little bit because it's so nice and cool, like so breezy. It's nice cheese. This is a treat. It was very hot in Rishikesh because it was still, but the rains have started, but it's not like fully raining. When you get this video, it probably is fully raining. But anyway, let's look outside a little bit. This feels like in Europe almost. But then again, that's probably not true, because in Europe we have a lot less of these tropical trees or plants, you know. But you keep forgetting. If you're traveling years and years, you forget what Europe is like, even though you'll visit it once or twice. This looks very much like Europe though. Not this bus though. Yeah, anyway guys, so I'm just making, you know, my last few videos. Well, maybe I'll make a whole bunch of videos. We'll also be ending up in Delhi before we travel on, and well, and eventually it's time to say goodbye from the vlog, because people have stopped watching really, and I have to bring a family through, you know. I'm not making enough money with it. It's a professional vlog. I've been a professional vlogger for 5 years, and I'm sick and tired of, you know, living on chump change, you know. So well, let's see, let's make that. We've been there in this situation before, and it's been up and down and up and down. But yeah, if this is not a lucrative business, it is not for me, and I'll be going back to some other thing. Still be traveling though, and making the odd video every once in a while. But let's see. Hey guys, we've been enjoying Rishikesh actually, although, well, you'll get this video a bit later, probably when it's off tourist season. But we were there at the super tourist season when all these many, let's say thousands, let's say millions of Indians are there, when it's a bit difficult to find a room, and well, it's still possible. We found a very nice room actually, you know, but it's a bit more pricey, but it's still okay. Not complaining. And the Ganga, Ganges, wherever, we really liked. It's a cool river, very cool, very nice. And now we're like happy to go into an apartment now, because you know, have space and can cook proper food, you know, proper protein-laced foods, you know, and work out properly, and all these things, you know. Maybe enjoying this journey here. It's kind of like nice, you know. But anyway, let's go to Dehradun. Then we'll have to take a taxi to get to our house, to our room, to our apartment, whatever, somewhere in between. And then I'll show you that, right? And then I'll show you Dehradun, parts of it, some foods. Well, let's see. saw the weirdest thing that could only exist in India. The second-hand tire shop. A shop for second-hand tires. Alright. Well, a lot of safety involved in that, right? Just realized that I ate my kulcha and I have not filmed it. But everybody else is enjoying still. Right? That's one of these street places that so many of you want me to not show or not eat at because they're so bad, or eat that daily and have no problem. Actually, this is very good stuff. I love this kulcha pachore. Yeah. Anyway, still hot. Now it's hot again. Before it was quite nice. So we're going to take a rickshaw who will take us, hopefully, to our apartment. So guys, we got a rickshaw that hopefully brings us there for 200 rupees. But I think we'll have to navigate. Download the Zing bus. It looks like a good bus. Yeah, of course in India there is a number of good buses. It's not just this one. Oh, I gotta be careful with the camera. Check it out. So that is the bus stand where we arrived. Lots of the big buses leaving here and horns. When you're as a traveler, well, in most countries, not only India, when you are forced to take a rickshaw or a taxi, most taxi drivers are trying to overcharge you or cheat you in some way, you know. And I always like make eye contact with guys that look like that guy, you know, like homeless. So he'll take us these 6 kilometers for 200 rupees, which is probably still a bunch of money, but you know, there's 5 of us and he got luggage and you know, and he does not really know where we are, where we're going. So, but still, so this is always just like the subtle art of finding a ride. Is because the faces, they talk to you. You know who to trust and who not by simply looking at them most of the time. Alright, we don't have the fastest vehicle, but these rickshaws, these are like electrical rickshaws. Quite slow actually. What? Prevent climate change. That's another subject that we don't discuss on this channel. Climate change. It's so hot, and there's lots of hotels here. I see actually lots of hotels and lots of bars. Yeah, you got this is not like a tourist place itself so much, but it's very close to many tourist places like Missouri and you know whatnot. So many. And even the Rishikesh, you're 35 kilometers from Rishikesh, you know. So if you're coming from Delhi, you can come here from Delhi within 5 hours if you're fast. So you got lots of homestays, lots of restaurants, it's a very convenient stop here. It's not a nice town, but maybe there is some nice center. I don't know. I don't listen to moonshine. But yeah, other than that, it's just a very convenient place. Actually quite modern hotels and all. Lots of them. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's not our Airbnb. That's some kind of a palace. So the guy doesn't really know where it is, but he will find it. Real adventure like that. So this is actually quite a cool area. A bit outside. That's alright, we're here to relax really. That's him. Okay. Guys, we made it, and I do want to show you our house. It's not an apartment, it's a house. And it's kind of like a cool, like bungalow-like. Well, you come in and you have the mango trees, which is the mango tree. Maybe plural even. Yeah, pretty cool. Huh? Well, they're not ripe yet. Doesn't matter. Ah, check it out. They're not even so long away. Anyway, guys, so this is the house. It looks like a bungalow. And the owners are 6. That's why you see the guru there. Anyway, should we walk around? Let's walk around quickly. Hey guys, stop screaming around this. It's embarrassing. Anyway, so you can run around the house if you want. What do you mean? Oh, that's not. This is someone else's TV. Well, okay. I think you cannot even go around here. Doesn't matter. Well, it's actually I like it here. It is not. It's not like a super new house, but you know, we kind of like this. Like a rose bush. Ah, this is like lemon bush. Cool. There's a rose there. Anyway, so you got a clothing rack here, and all right. Hey guys.
I can do whatever I want.
Are the lights all on? Can you turn on the light? I want the people to see.
Hey!
That way, no? Anyway, so that you come in and you have like the dining area here, and the living room area. And there is a smart TV. I haven't figured out how to turn it on, but I will. There's another lamp here. Hey guys, this is pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Vincent, hey, pretty cool, eh? Well, we could open the curtains and let the light in. This is again old story, South Asia. The curtains are always drawn. Not always, but often. I don't know why. Okay. Ah, that's a different story now. Anyway, so here we have a 1 bedroom. There's an AC here. Didn't turn on yet. You know, it's not that hot. I will here. And well, double bed, whatever, king size bed. And there's a kitchen here, which is pretty cool actually. You have everything you need. You even got some condiments, some spices, some salt, some oils, and we don't use the oil. I know. This is our fridge. This is probably a microwave oven. Yeah, we don't use that one because it turns food into toxins. That doesn't matter. You can use it, you know. We have an aqua fresh here for fresh drinking water. Then whatever, plates and pans and pots and you know the whole shebang, right? Glasses, cups, and everything you need. It's pretty good. I like it. Well then, we got the the granny chair. Are you happy in the granny chair? Second bedroom. I think this is a bit bigger, but it could be just me. Again, drapes could be closed. Well, this is absolutely fine for us. I mean, you know, it's a little bit oldish, old style. Is this? They call this place, I think, nostalgia villa. Yeah, rightly so. It's a good. I tell you, I like this. Guys, you want to go upstairs? There's the bathroom, which is just regular bathroom, geyser, got a washing machine, and this just fell down. Anyway, lots of soaps, creams, Dettol, whatever you'll need.
Now you need to help me.
Don't fall down. What is this? Oh, this is another door to the yard.
Oh, look what you did now.
Oh, this is pretty cool here. Anyway, so let's go up.
Give me that. What is it?
Some extra chairs, some whatever. And this is the good thing. This is like the house all to us, only to us. Oops. Ah, yeah. This is great. Yeah, this is a good area. I would rather say it's a good area, right? Ah, yeah. You can do yoga up here, exercise. Well, we could stay here for a while. Yeah, we have like another month. And we're really sick and tired of traveling around, especially now it's hot. So this is more like it. Well, of course, this would be the fancier home. Next door is quite a fancy house. Well, these are like regular houses. That's a fancy house. I mean, fancy also mean big and modern. This is also quite nice, actually. Yeah, I mean, happy, definitely. Good place. Yeah, we found this on Airbnb. It's like $26 a night or so. So moderate. Of course, we stayed in cheaper places. But we also stayed in more expensive places that were a lot worse. So for the $26 you pay in, good, very good. Of course, I mean, if you rent this always, it will be a lot cheaper, of course. But we don't have to discuss this. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna finish this. Yeah, all right, guys. I'm gonna. You guys, you wanna say bye bye?
Bye bye.
I'm gonna call it the shot. We're about to quit, right? Hey, guys, look up here. This is like the last scene. All right. Bye bye.